My name is Ouma. I'm currently the branch team leader or the branch manager at SBM Bank, Lenana Road, based in Kilimani area. I've been a branch manager for the last 6 years. That is between 2017 May, when SBM came in, to now. Before that, I was the assistant branch manager in the same branch for a period of 1 year. Of course, that was under the previous bank, Fidelity Bank. Of course, before that again, I was a senior officer at Fidelity Commercial Bank, in a branch in New Mudaiga Mall. So I've worked with SBM since inception. When SBM came on board, that was on 11th of May 2017. I'm privileged to be amongst the ones who acquired with the previous bank called Fidelity Commercial Bank. If I was to choose a superpower, maybe I would go for flying. I have the capacity to fly so that I can be able to move around and see what is happening around the world, and also just to find myself in this place without you knowing that I'm here. So they flies about it. Yeah. I like the brand that SBM Bank has come up with. SBM Bank is a brand that is quite strong, coming from Mauritius, with the strength of the government of Mauritius. So with it, I see an agility bank that is like there to stay in the long haul. Yeah, I see SBM moving or growing in East Africa region, for that matter, whereby it grows to Uganda, Tanzania, Burundi, up north, Ethiopia, going all over East and Eastern Africa. And I see myself, by God's grace, if I'll still be here, to be managing one of the subsidiaries, let's say being the MD of SBM Uganda. So I see myself being a key person in terms of setting up structures for the growth in that particular region, in this case if it's Uganda or any other country, and having grown to be a position where I'm able to assist in setting up the structures, I see myself again competitively going through the process and being given one of the regions or one of the subsidiaries to run as a CEO or as the MD of that particular subsidiary. I've grown a branch. I've grown a branch from a loss-making branch to a top tier bank within the bank, which I'm proud of. I've seen again the books growing from what was of 200 million to becoming $1 billion shillings branch, both in assets and both in liabilities as well, and customer growth. But the most important thing is seeing the staff that I've worked with growing in their career from one level to the next level. During my time, I've seen so many people who have passed through my hand by God's grace that they walk in as junior officers and they grow. Leave the branch as people who are senior as they move into other branches and even other units within the branch. Again, I've seen clients walking in to the branch and again they're not maybe happy or maybe they're not looking sad, but they all walk out smiling. So that's something which I'm proud of. It's quite impactful. Maybe a Rhumba. Slow songs, but very sure of the eventuality. Yeah, so the Rhumba has long, very lengthy songs. Of course, you also don't want to stop listening to them. Just like it would have been a Rhumba as a song, it will as well take the Rhumba kind of songs or kind of dances and the Hangla kind of dance that goes together. I'm not a good dancer, but I will see it that way. Yeah. A smart tomorrow for SBM is on robust technology, whereby clients from their comfort of their home, they'll be able to do anything without basically walking into the branch. Of course, that will come with the restructuring, the branch closures and those kind of things, but at the end of the day, if a client is able to do it comfortably from the house or the comfort of your chair, then that is smarter tomorrow for me. So that means SBM is a model and has brought in something new into the market that was never there. Third thing is, again, the stability that has brought in the financial service. We see, of course, then the banks were on and off, But since SBM came, we can see stability in the market, financial market, the financial service market, whereby customers are confident that my money will not be lost, will not disappear in any bank in the country because of what the arrangement that SBM had with the government of Kenya through CBK. The fourth thing that again I see during the time, the books that have grown during this time that we've been around, whereby it was at less than a billion book, and now we're talking about 50 something billion books, so less than 10 billion book rather, talking about 50 something 52 billion book. That's something which is quite good within a span of less than 5 years or 6 years rather, whereby the bank has grown like that. I'm yet to hear or see or read any other bank that has grown exponentially in that short time. We see it taking time for banks to grow that level, but as we see like how we've grown, yes, you can say that it wasn't organically, but whichever way you look at it, it has grown like that. That's been the fourth thing. The fifth thing, of course, again, I see the leadership, whereby if you are looking for something from any leader within, yes, the process could be there, but with a phone call away, I'm able to reach out to whoever I want and explain to the person what I want, and from there we now follow up the documentation process. So you can always able to get a yes or a no on a phone call. Then I'll just do the paperwork as you wait now for the real process to be followed. Customer centricity, people-driven values, about integrity. So you talk about technology that we have. Then I'm trying to think of the next one. Now you make me get lost.
I know that was perfect. Thank you.
Karibu.